I didn't realize how easy it was to make such an incredible pie, says one All Recipes member, who adds that she hasn't had a decent fresh rhubarb pie since her childhood when her great-grandma used to make them. In fact, says that member, she wishes she could give this recipe 10 stars. We'll start by preheating the oven to 450 degrees. While the oven's heating, chop enough fresh rhubarb to make 4 cups. Next, add 6 tablespoons of flour to 1 1/3 cups of sugar and stir that together and set it aside. Then, cut up 1 tablespoon of cold butter and set it aside. The ingredients are all set, so let's get the crust ready. Roll out 2 ready-made pie dough sheets. Line the bottom of a 9-inch pie pan with the first sheet, leaving an inch border all around. Sprinkle 1/4 of the sugar mixture over the pastry in the bottom of the pie pan. Heap the chopped rhubarb on top of the sugar mixture. And sprinkle the remaining sugar mixture over the rhubarb. Dot the filling with the cut-up butter. Cover the filling with the top crust. Crimp the top and bottom edges together in any style you like. Trim away any excess dough. Some All Recipes members suggest brushing the top crust with a little beaten egg and sprinkling it with sugar to give it a shiny golden brown finish. Other members suggest making a few slits on the top crust to keep the juices from seeping out the sides. Bake the pie on a baking sheet in case the filling bubbles over for 15 minutes. Reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees and continue baking the pie for another 40 to 45 minutes. All Recipes member LK says she won $100 for first prize in a rhubarb pie baking contest with this recipe. She used green rhubarb and says she tinted the sugar with 2 drops of red food